Number 18 says that Ben accumulated $9,000 in credit card debt. If the interest rate is 20% compounded continuously and he does not make any payments for 4 years, how much will he owe in 4 years? So if I define my variables, I'm looking for the future value. My present value is 9,000. My R is 0.20 and my T is 4. So $9,000, 20%, 4 years. And my formula is going to be 9,000 times E raised to the 0.20 times 4. So 9,000 times E raised to the 0.20 times 4, and we get $20,029.87.